Welcome back to Quiz Mystery Lab. Let's see if you are really genius for this quiz.
Which of the following is used to whiten clothes in laundry? Sodium chloride, sodium hypochlorite, sodium bicarbonate. Sodium hypochlorite. Which element is used in pencils? Lead, graphite, carbon. Graphite. Which of the following is used in the production of soaps? Glycerin, sodium hydroxide, calcium carbonate. Sodium hydroxide. Which of the following elements is used in fluorescent bulbs? Nitrogen, mercury vapor, helium. Mercury vapor. Which of the following is used to remove grease stains? Vinegar, ammonia, acetone. Acetone. Which gas is used in refrigerators and air conditioners? Freon, hydrogen, nitrogen. Freon. Which gas is used to inflate airbags in cars? Nitrogen, helium, argon. Nitrogen. Which substance is used in matches and fireworks? Sodium chloride, potassium nitrate, calcium carbonate. Potassium nitrate. Which of the following is a vitamin C-rich fruit? Banana, orange, apple. Orange. Which gas is used in cigarette lighter? Propane, butane, methane. Butane.